Union territory in India. Union territory in India is becoming very hot nowadays. Very hot nowadays. After the Jammu and Kashmir become union territory, people are happy that Jammu and Kashmir is no more a country. Earlier, practically, it was a country. Country in the sense that no one could go to Jammu and Kashmir and buy land over there. Jammu and Kashmir, no one can marry over there. Jammu Kashmir used to have a separate constitution, separate flag, everything. India can place military out there to their safety, and in return, India was giving money to Jammu Kashmir for their sustenance. Heavy money was going in Jammu and Kashmir. Heavy expenditure state Jammu and Kashmir was similar to that. But now, when new government in 2019 it scrapped the 370 article, which identified Jammu Kashmir as a separate state or a country. Now, Jammu Kashmir is integrated part of the country. Now, it is like a state, but again, it is not mere a state; it is union territory. Jammu Kashmir is union territory of India. Now Jammu Kashmir divided into two parts. One is Leh and Ladakh union territory, Jammu and Kashmir union territory with assembly. Now discussion is going on that what is difference between union territory with assembly and union territory without assembly. So Pondicherry is union territory with assembly. Delhi is union territory with assembly, and Jammu Kashmir is union territory with assembly. Other five they do not have assembly at all. They cannot elect MLA. Chandigarh, Leh and Ladakh, Dadar, Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu, and Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar. So these places they cannot elect MLA. Andaman Nicobar, what they will elect MLA? The resident of Andaman Nicobar, the local people of Andaman Nicobar, they are treated as tribal and they are forced to live in some island or some forest, Jarava forest region or whatever that. Outsider they have flooded the full Andaman, especially Andaman, not the Nicobar, they are also flooded. Andaman fully controlled by outsider only. The local people are behaved like animal, means as if they are not people at all. There is Sentinelese people and they are confined only to North Sentinelese Island. Earlier, North Sentinelese Island was home to them, it is true, but they are moving island to island because of for their livelihood, and they were thousands in number. Now they reduced to 50, 60 in number. If they cannot go for food, search of food in island to island, what their count would be? Now, if anyone goes to North Sentinel, they chase them, they kill them, what they will do? So this is the new India. Go and kill the local people and control that region. So this is new India, whatever it. Now Jammu Kashmir situation. Now Delhi has High Court. Delhi and Jammu Kashmir is the only union territory which has separate High Court. Patiala Court, I believe. Otherwise, no one has High Court also. Pondicherry's High Court is Madras High Court. Lakshadweep High Court is Trivandrum High Court. And Chandigarh High Court is Haryana and Punjab High Court in Chandigarh itself. And Haryana and Punjab governor is the Lieutenant Governor of Chandigarh also. Whatever it is. So what is the kind of role of Lieutenant Governor? Lieutenant Governor in case of kind of union territory. Union territory is governed directly by the central government. Central government employ any government employee out there, any public order, any land purchase, the tax that comes, and then police, everything. So where the assembly is there, there at least land purchase taxation is controlled by the local government. Otherwise, it does not have anything. So public order, police, and then the kind of employment, government employment, everything is in hand of the lieutenant governor. So if someone is purchasing land, selling land, whatever tax is there, then local government can collect the tax. But if it wants any fourth grade staff also to appoint in his office, then permission needs to be taken from the lieutenant governor. And lieutenant governor is a direct proxy of the central government. It is another thing that central government is proxy of whom everyone knows it. After independence, how India became part of Commonwealth. It was anyway part of Commonwealth. After independence 1947, Commonwealth architecture remained same. All the countries remained same. Burma they did not include into Commonwealth. Otherwise, only thing is the in new bottle old wine is there. Wine is same, only bottle change. That is the Commonwealth of post independence. What is independence and what is post independence? It is difficult to understand when same election is going on from 1920 itself. Same parliament, same presidential house, same governor, same lieutenant governor, everything is same, whatever it is. Now, the what is the role of lieutenant governor in union territory, which is we do not have any assembly, and union territory which has assembly? No much different. The union territory with assembly has chief minister. They have minister. Those minister they facilitate like collection of the land taxes, electricity, water, this kind of thing they facilitate. But at the end of it, whatever the monetary part is there, they need to get signature from lieutenant governor only. So whatever they do, only thing is in union territory without chief minister, everything is done by lieutenant governor. The work of the lieutenant governor is given to the chief minister and its minister, but at the end, signature is required from the lieutenant governor itself. So Jammu and Kashmir is a chief minister based state union territory, but at its depth, it is a union territory. At the end, it is union territory. So Farooq Abdullah or his son, they become chief minister of Jammu and Kashmir, but they do not have any power. They cannot appoint a police at all. One thing, any law and order, it is responsibility of the lieutenant governor representing the central government. Okay, representing the whatever rule and regulation, it will come from the home ministry. They cannot do anything. Okay, they can collect taxes and whatever, but at the end signature is required from the lieutenant governor. So it is like an important government that is in Jammu and Kashmir. Now they are fighting, they are striving that Jammu and Kashmir would become at least a state, and it is a matter of laughter to the Indians, because earlier the way they were behaving, Jammu Kashmir government, I'm not saying people were always Indian. Prior to 1947, against Hari Singh, Sri Hari Singh was caretaker there. At that time, they were Indian. Post that, they were always Indian. If you see Gilgit and Baltistan, that is occupied by Pakistan, that they are anyway Indian. Muzaffarabad region, if you see YouTube videos, they are anyway Indian. They don't behave like they are Pakistan. They are anyway Indian. So people were always Indian. But government, which was coming there to kind of grab money from the central government, they were behaving like we are Muslim country. We are this, we are that, talk with Pakistan, and this and that. They were confusing the situation, obfuscating the situation. So they were obfuscating the central government so that central government will shower more fund on them so that please remain with us. Same thing these people are trying again now. Now they will try to make a situation where central government will start pouring money again. But people are very cautious. Now each and every person in Jammu and Kashmir, they are they are chanting that we are citizen of India. We don't have to do anything as far as Jammu Kashmir is a different country at all. We were citizen of India. We are citizen of India. We don't want Jammu and Kashmir constitution and flag. We like Indian flag. We are Indian. So now, but at political stage, they will try again to bring back the way Jammu and Kashmir was, so that they can do bargaining for the money they used to do. And Indian government was showering money on the Jammu and Kashmir, not only Jammu and Kashmir, Tamil Nadu, LTT, not only that, Alpha in Assam, not only that, then Nagaland front, there also, everywhere, Punjab, everywhere. But it's a good thing that all are going away, time to time. In fact, everything has lost. Only Jammu Kashmir remains. So Jammu Kashmir as a union territory, I would, it is better option. But best option would be that Jammu Kashmir people should elect chief minister, which will do more work than reporting to the lieutenant governor. But for that, two things are required: commitment from the Indian government, commitment from the Indian government, that okay, I am giving you the full power as far as the state is concerned, and commitment from their politician, not from the people. People what they are representing in Jammu and Kashmir, they should obey the people's direction. They should not go in some other direction and start chanting about the full-fledged Jammu and Kashmir state. Because of that, then same situation should be with Leh and Ladakh, because Leh and Ladakh area is very big, and Leh and Ladakh is highly prosperous state. Means it has relationship with Kashi Kasgar and Tibet. So it was center of focus in Himalayan region. So we believe that trade would start again. Indian government just concentrating on giving a statehood, they should concentrate in the trade region. Now the idea is, what is the power of lieutenant governor and chief minister in Jammu and Kashmir? Jammu and Kashmir is something that people are seeing it, because this politician, if you see the PDP is a party over there, and they are supporting National Conference back. These people, they are is again in a force to bring back the country status again, so that heavy money will start coming, and Indian people, they will earn and they will give money to the central government as taxes, and that money will go to Jammu and Kashmir. So what are the rule? What are the kind of uh, the uh, the you can say kind of what is the power that is entertained by the lieutenant governor of Jammu and Kashmir? So that is the in question. Okay, I had somewhere it is written. Okay, so what is the power that lieutenant governor that enjoys in Jammu and Kashmir? Okay, there are many things. Jammu and Kashmir directly governed by the central government, and this and that. Now there is Article 239, and that Article 239 AA in the Constitution. So Article 239 AA talks about the union territory with assembly, and 239 is union territory without assembly. So 239 AA, where Jammu, Kashmir, Delhi, and Pondicherry, they are there, then it is like appointing key official, chief secretary, police officer, and these are LG's work, administrating duty services. Okay, and then control over the police, public order, land. These are the kind of maintained. Anyway, we have talked about it. The most crucial part of, okay, if someone remembers, then there was a scuffle, there was a kind of a battle, scuffle, battle, legal battle, there was a tension between Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and the Delhi Lieutenant Governor. So now Supreme Court had clarified that LG must take must act the LG of a union territory must act on the aid and advice of the council of the minister. Exception matters reserved for the parliament. This is the most cryptic and biggest because the chief minister of this union territory, they started behaving like they are full-fledged chief minister. We want full-fledged chief ministership. We want full state. Now Supreme Court has taken a kind of, it is something like Supreme Court clarifies that LG, Lieutenant Governor, must act on the must act on the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers. Whatever the Council of Minister and Chief Minister, they provide the aid and advice that LG must act on it. Exception matters reserved to the parliament. Means whatever the minister, chief minister advise and they act upon, they give the aid. Okay, that aid aid means assistance, not money. That assistance and advice should be honored by the lieutenant governor. If lieutenant governor is not honoring chief minister and its minister advice and aid, then it will matter of reserved for the president, means at the central government. Indirectly, central government or lieutenant governor will do whatever it wants. Chief minister and its minister, if lieutenant governor must act on their aid and advice, means that chief minister and their minister are only there to give advice to the lieutenant governor. It is up to the lieutenant governor, he follows it or he does not follow it, because at the end things will come from the president. So the union territory will be ruled by the central government LG, not by the minister or chief minister. This is the exact word I read from the Supreme Court. But we are with the Jammu Kashmir people, we are with the Leh people. Their area is very big, they are bigger to many states in India. So these states should act as a full-fledged state with assembly and chief minister. We are not with their government or chief minister. These national conference or PDP, whatever they say, they are the problem causing. They are the enemy of the local people. So they would kind of become different the way they used to happen. Talk with Pakistan means always. Whenever you see Mehbooba Mufti, talk with Pakistan. Talk. Pakistan is your relative or what? Talk with Pakistan, talk with him, talk with that. No, they have to improve and they have to act like a pure Indian the way the local people are. And then it should become a state and so that it would become prosperous. That is the concept. So this is union territory without chief minister and chief minister. So more or less it is same only. So main chief minister is lieutenant governor. If the work is more to help him to doing the work, then it is chief minister and their minister come into the picture. I believe he can appoint chief minister and minister directly also rather than going by the election. I don't know how it matters. But anyway, it should improve and people out all the union territory, not only these two states, they should become same as the other state people. This is what our wish is. Means there should not be any union territory. These people, they should vote, they should have chief minister, they should have minister, and so that indirectly people can take their decision and live independent life. That is the idea.